Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́, ẹ káalẹ́ to you all over the world. Welcome to our channel, Learn Yoruba with Ease. What part of the world are you watching us from? And how do you greet in your own part of the world? Handshake, hugs, or you take a bow like the Japanese? We'd like to know. One key thing that makes Yoruba greetings unique is that Yoruba culture has a lot of respect embedded in it. And you respect go, a man bow of you. There are greetings for different times of the day. So one greeting doesn't fit it all. There is a way you greet in the morning, there's a way you have to greet in the night, there's a way you greet even when you're about closing your eyes. Yeah. That's why I say we have greetings for nearly everything, if not everything. And our body is also involved in our greetings culture. You can't just stand erect and greet an elderly person. There are postures you're expected to take, which we'll also be looking into. So, are we ready? Oya, ẹ jẹ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀. Let's begin.
Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa àti ẹ̀yin akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ wa padà sí abala kíkọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ èdè Yorùbá pẹ̀lú ìrọ̀rùn. Èyí tí a sọ ní èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì wípé Learning Yoruba with Ease. A tún tẹ̀síwájú nínú àwọn ìkíni díẹ̀díẹ̀ ní èdè Yorùbá. Ní ìdánilẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tí ó kọjá, a ti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa bí a ṣe ń kíni ní àárọ̀, ọ̀sán àti alẹ́. Ní ọjọ́ tí èní, a ó tún máa tẹ̀síwájú. Mo ń fi àkókò yìí sọ wípé kí a tẹ́tí bẹ̀lẹ̀ jẹ́ kí a gbọ́ ìdánilẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yìí. This is the continuation of the first scene of our Learning Yoruba with Ease under the subheading Simple Greetings in Yoruba Language. In our last lesson, we've looked at how to greet in the morning, afternoon, evening, and night. We shall be proceeding into simple greetings today. A ó máa tẹ̀síwájú nínú àwọn ìkíni díẹ̀díẹ̀ ní èdè Yorùbá. Bí àpẹẹrẹ, káàbọ̀. Káàbọ̀ ó túmọ̀ sí welcome. Tí ènìyàn bá lọ sí àjò tàbí tí ènìyàn bá ti ibì kan dé, a máa ń kí ènìyàn pé káàbọ̀. Káàbọ̀ yìí ni a máa ń kí ẹgbẹ́ ẹni tàbí ẹni tí a jù lọ. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ káàbọ̀ ni a máa ń kí àwọn tí ó jù wá lọ tàbí àwọn tí a fẹ́ fi ọ̀wọ̀ fún. A dẹ̀ tún máa ń kí ọ̀pọ̀ ènìyàn wípé ẹ káàbọ̀. Ẹ káàbọ̀ is simply to those that are our seniors or to those that want to show respect to. Ẹ káàbọ̀ are said to people that we senior or to people that are of the same age with us. A tún tẹ̀síwájú tí ènìyàn bá ń lọ sí àjò, a máa ń kí ènìyàn wípé ó di àbọ̀. Ó dàbọ̀ ni a máa ń kí ènìyàn fún ẹgbẹ́ ẹni, fún ẹni tí a jù lọ tàbí ẹni tó jù ni lọ. We greet Odaabo or we say Odaabo to people that are traveling or that are going out or that are sent on errands. That's the greetings you tell them, meaning goodbye in English. A tún tẹ̀síwájú. A máa ń kí ènìyàn pé pẹ̀lẹ́. Kí ni pẹ̀lẹ́? Tí nǹkan bá ṣe ènìyàn, a máa ń kí ènìyàn wípé pẹ̀lẹ́ láti fi tu ẹni náà nínú. Pẹ̀lẹ́ ni a máa ń kí ènìyàn, ẹgbẹ́ ẹni, ẹni tí a jù lọ. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹni tó jù ni lọ tàbí ẹni tí a fẹ́ fi àpọ́nlé fún, a máa sọ wípé ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́. Pẹ̀lẹ́ simply means sorry. We say pẹ̀lẹ́ to those that we senior. In case of eventuality, we tell them sorry just to calm them. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ is for those that want to show respect to or people that are older than us. Bí a ó ṣe parí ìdánilẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ti àkókò yìí nìyẹn. A ó tún pàdé ní ọjọ́ mìíràn. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀.